Bitcoin is breaking down and we are in extremely dangerous territory, and this is what every single Bitcoin holders need to see right now. Because the Wyckoff distribution we have been paying attention to in the last few weeks here is playing out perfectly, and it is not even done yet because targets of $75,000 are about to get hit for Bitcoin. And we have been predicting this done perfectly here over on our YouTube channel. And the first trade we have been opening up transparent and completely live here is $15,000 in a profit. And the second trade is $12,000 in a profit. I will deep dive into every single detail about those trades and what am I doing next with the Bitcoin price in today's daily update video. But first of all, I would really appreciate you guys to follow me over on X and to subscribe over on my YouTube channel and like this daily update video if you love those updates. And let's dive right away into the content for now. Because we've been talking about this push towards the upside and the wedge we have been creating. And right now, we are breaking down from off that wedge. And after that, we will probably see a further move towards the downside start. Normally, with those patterns, it is not really which I'm trading on because I trade on price action purely on what Bitcoin is doing. But one thing I think what was about to happen with this move towards the upside, this was, in my opinion, a really fake move towards the upside. Low volume, but price kept pumping towards the upside, all with leverage money, not with real money. And with that is pretty scary. And when price rotates on that top and we see a downwards movement getting started, we could see a fast third move towards the downside, and that is, in my opinion, what is about to start right now, because the price has been compressing towards an edge point. That's exactly where we are at right now, and we have been breaking down. We are breaking important support right now, and if Bitcoin closes this daily candle exactly as we have been standing right now, we would see more downside coming for Bitcoin. Do I think targets of $66,000 are about to get hit? Maybe not, but the first target is $75,000. Second target is $70,000 here. With that, I expect to move to those levels and we can get supported by the levels after the drop. But for now, Bitcoin needs a little cool down, and even further from on the top than we have been seeing right over here. At least I want to see a 10% drop before I scale into any longs, but a 15% drop towards the $70,000 mark would be ideally perfect for me to open up some really big long positions. And the target of $75,000 are aligning with some very interesting confluences, because the first target is also the $75,000 of this Wyckoff distribution phase. That is the lower side of this range, perfectly right over here. That is aligning as well, and that will mean that the Wyckoff distribution is playing out perfectly over on Bitcoin. And the Wyckoff distribution was also the reason why I opened up my first position over on Bitcoin. This was the position I opened up first on Bitcoin, and I set a limit order right here at the $82,600. After that, the limit order got hit and the Bitcoin price never went again towards that limit order. This limit order I set perfectly and fully transparent before the price even got hit this limit order in my daily update videos. Completely transparent. I was in this trade. I was right over here, $10,000 in a profit. After that, I was only $2,000 in a profit. I show this. Right over here, I was $10,000 in a profit once again. Right over here, I was $3,000 in a profit. And right now, I'm $15,000 in a profit. All shared completely transparent here. And right now, the target for my trade, this trade right over here, is $25,000 as a TP point at $75,000. If this level got hit, I will take profits on my trade and I will give back a certain amount of money back towards the community with the new project I am launching. And with that, I am taking profit at $75,000 on this trade, but I opened up an extra position over on Bitcoin because I said 2 days ago that I was really bearish on Bitcoin, and I saw Bitcoin dumping from off this point. And the most beautiful part is also this trade I said before it even got hit, because in this video you could see that this was the limit order that was getting on the chart, and I was about to open a trade right over here when Bitcoin pumped exactly towards this limit order. After that, what we actually can see is that Bitcoin filled in our limit order. You could open up your trade by yourself because I literally shared this before it even happened. And after that, Bitcoin didn't print a single green candle afterwards, and we have been dumping extremely hard towards the downside. And the most beautiful part about this all, like I said, I did it completely transparent before it even happened here. But right now I'm working on something behind the scenes which will literally shock the trading world. Because it's nice for me that I take profits of these trades, that I predicted the market perfectly here, that right now I'm 26k in a profit here. But what we want to create for you guys is also that your P&L analysis could look something like this. That your trades got hit on a single day with 13k profit with a win rate of $85,000 here. And that is why I opened up this account over on Ubit, where I can trade on completely transparent for you guys. Right now on a Tuesday I got a profit of approximately $13,000. Right now the whole profit is at $21,000. That's because this trade is still open. But this is exactly what I want to create for you as well, that your calendar is looking something like this. And with that, we have been working something behind the scenes which will drop fairly soon. And the most beautiful part is that it is completely free to join. The only thing you need to do for now to get whitelisted for this project is join the free Telegram link with the first link in the description. With that, you are whitelisted for early access for the project we are dropping. And do know it's completely free. You don't need to pay anything to just be in the whitelist here and be in the program. We are getting listed fairly soon here. So please make sure, if you want to trade with an 85% win rate here, please make sure to join the free Telegram link with the first link in the description to be the first one to enter what is dropping fairly soon here. On those trades, what am I doing next? I am waiting for the $75,000. With that, I will close this position fully with $25,000 in a profit. And with that, like I said, I will be giving away money of this trade back towards the community. Also, with the project I am dropping, I will give away free money to you guys. So please make sure also to be whitelisted and get early access on the free Telegram group and join it with the link in the description. With this trade, I will let this run a little bit further, because the most beautiful part about having two trades open here is right now I'm in a big profit, but it's really important to risk manage from off this point. I'm not gonna let this trade run towards $66,000 because right now I'm in a profit, and if Bitcoin decides to pump towards the upside, all my profit is gone. So right now at the $77,000, I am taking profit on this trade. What Bitcoin decided to do, it doesn't really care, because I take profit on that trade. I put my stop loss into break even here, so I can't lose on this trade anymore here. If we drop towards that $76,000, I will also take some profit off the table, just that this TP is approximately $20,000 and the whole trade is 20k in a profit. And with that, I will share something with the community as well. With this trade, I will let it run even more, because I'm not taking all my trades out at the $75,000, because if Bitcoin decides to dump even further towards the downside, I want to benefit from that drops as well. So that is my current plan for those trades over on Bitcoin. And please make sure to join the free Telegram group over in my description here, and to follow me over on X, and of course subscribe over on my YouTube channel. And with that, I would love to see you tomorrow by a brand new Crypto Daily Update video.